All right, so I want to give a quick overview or teaser of one of the studies in our 2019 seed production report. This was a study on nitrogen management in field pea production. This work began in 2016 by Claire Sullivan, and we continued it then last year for another year of data. So peas are a legume, and they can fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to plant available forms. There's been work out of other production regions, the Dakotas, Canada, Montana, that's shown that in general, you do not need in-season nitrogen application for good yields. Prior to the work by Claire, we didn't have any data for the Willamette Valley to guide fertilizer recommendations and back them up for production of field peas or our sprout peas here in the Valley. So that was really the driver of this study. The objectives are pretty straightforward. The first one and main one is to look at the effect of different fertilizer rates on seed yield, yield components, and root nodulation. And we used 0, 40, 80, and 120 pounds per acre nitrogen as the fertilizer rates. We wanted to make sure to include that zero nitrogen treatment to really demonstrate the effects of no in-season nitrogen application on yield and yield components. Lastly, in 2019, we added an aspect of looking at the nutrient uptake of other macro and micronutrients, and we can use these to guide soil fertility and fertilizer recommendations for some of our other nutrients. In terms of yield results, we saw no effect of nitrogen rate on seed yield or yield components in either year or at any site. So this really shows that peas were able to fix enough nitrogen on their own for good yields. When we look at that nutrient uptake data, this is from 2019 only, but it's averaged across all of the sites and replicates here. We have what was in the plant biomass and the seeds. And if we want to look at what's removed with harvest and what we should then replace to maintain the nutrient levels and have sort of a fertility maintenance program, we can look at what's in those seeds. And that was about 25 pounds per acre phosphorus, around 50 pounds per acre potassium, and between 5 to 10 pounds per acre magnesium, calcium, and sulfur. So again, I want to remind folks that the full data, further discussion, and these tables are available in our 2019 seed production report. So please take a look, and thanks for watching.